The world-famous Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra of the Holy Trinity has been suspended this year under the directive of the Supreme Court. Today, on 18 June, the Supreme Court, while hearing a public litigation, has given this directive. The Supreme Court has not only suspended the famous Rath Yatra of Puri, but it has also stopped Rath Yatra from being conducted all over Odisha. The Supreme Court has also said that it will be punished by Lord Jagannath if it allows the Rath Yatra to be held amid the COVID-19 pandemic, which had claimed a number of lives all over the world. The security and well-being of the citizens shall be of topmost priority, added the Supreme Court in its epic judgment. Jagannath Rath Yatra at Puri is a public procession in a chariot which attracts over 1 million Hindu pilgrims who join the procession each year. This year, the Rath Yatra was scheduled to be held on June 23. The Supreme Court refused to allow this yatra. The court's order came in response to a public interest litigation filed by an NGO to cancel the annual festival considered to be a symbol of the Hindu faith in view of the global pandemic. This festival dedicated to Lord Jagannath has been celebrated unswervingly in Odisha's Puri since ancient times. It will be the first time in the last 284 years when it could not be held. The last time it could not be held was between 1733 and 1735 when Muhammad Taqi Khan, then Deputy Governor of Odisha, attacked the temple, forcing the shifting of the idols.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.